There is a lot of economic news and speculation out there. Overall, inflation is muted despite the tariffs, but 7 out of 10 people struggle with cost. Fed may cut rates, probably not right now with the latest news, but soon. But prices may dip in 24 cities. Some of the information I see. Team Broadway puts the spotlight on you and your home.
More.